Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about current AI technology. Have you ever heard of ChatGPT? In this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and some of its coolest features. Let's start the video. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI, based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet and is capable of generating human-like text in response to user inputs. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like text. It is pre-trained on a massive dataset of internet text, which means that it has already learned the patterns and nuances of natural language. How does it work? ChatGPT works by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the words that came before it. It does this using a complex system of neural networks that have been trained on a vast amount of text data. As a result, ChatGPT is capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text that is almost indistinguishable from something a human might write. What are some of its coolest features? One of the coolest things about ChatGPT is its ability to generate text on a wide range of topics. Whether you're looking for a creative writing prompt, a recipe idea, or even just some interesting trivia, ChatGPT has got you covered. Another cool feature of ChatGPT is its ability to translate text from one language to another. This can be incredibly useful for people who are trying to communicate with others who speak a different language. It's a brief overview of ChatGPT. It's an incredible tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with language. Whether you're a writer, a student, or just someone who loves exploring the limits of technology, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.